The spring season is already in, with its cool breeze and golden sunshine. Spring season has been the best among the season all these years, but not anymore. Now spending a few minutes in the garden in the forenoon and afternoon can be exhausting. Then think about the plight of the plants bearing the brunt of the blazing sun the whole day with no protection. The plants feel the heat just as much as we do, maybe even more. One simple way to protect the plants from such seasonal changes is to mulch up the soil. Mulch is a 2 to 4 inch thick layer of covering material like shredded leaves, grass clippings, etc., spread over the soil to retain the moisture, suppress any weeds, and keep the soil cool. Since organic materials decomposes into the soil over time, they almost act as compost, which helps improve the fertility of the soil. Thus, mulching not only make the soil healthier but is aesthetically pleasing addition to any garden as well. It makes your garden soil better so your plants grow healthier and happier. Mulch makes the soil more resistant to pests and diseases. Mulch decomposes into the soil, releasing nutrients slowly and consistently, preventing the loss of vitamins in the plants. The soil retains moisture for a longer duration if mulched, thereby reducing the amount of water needed for watering. Mulching even reduces water runoff during the monsoon season. It serves as an umbrella, providing a shade to the tiny seedlings that are more prone to damage by excessive sun exposure. Mulch is a great insulator for the soil. It regulates the soil temperature, which reduces the stress level in the plants caused by higher temperature. Mulching is one of the most effective ways to create a barrier against unwanted weeds that grow in the garden. Mulching your garden soil usually increases the biological activity in the soil. It not only beneficial for the microorganisms but also provides earthworms with food. It even provides a safe and comfortable home for plant-friendly insects such as beetles. Applying mulch to the sandy soil helps to bind it, whereas mulching clay soils opens it up, making it more fertile. Gardening is all about recycling and reusing organic materials. You can recycle your waste materials like grass clippings and leaves and turn them into mulch for your garden soil. Mulch in a landscape garden prevents the soil erosion and soil compaction, especially from foot traffic in the garden. You can even use a mulch to enhance the visual appearance of a garden. What kind of mulch should one go for? 1. Hay and straw. It is one of the most popular choices for mulching. It is easily available. It prevents the splashing of soil-borne diseases to the lower part of the plants that makes it muddy. Since straw and hay decompose slowly, they will last for an entire growing season. 2. Grass clippings. Grass usually has high water content, making them extremely biodegradable. 3. Shredded leaves. Shredded leaves are easiest to come by if you already have a lush garden at home. 4. Newspaper. With lot of printing presses nowadays moving away from the chemicalized inks, it is gaining popularity as an easily available material for mulching. How much to mulch? All kind of mulch primarily serve one major purpose, combating weeds in your garden. You should follow these fundamental rules for mulching. Firstly, weed your garden before you begin mulching. Once your garden is weed free, lay down the mulch of your choice on the soil. Secondly, make sure that mulch layer should be thick enough to discourage the growth of new weeds. Spread a few inches of mulch on the top of the soil around the plant. Mulching usually takes place after you sow the seeds or after the seedlings appears. A 2 to 3 inch thick layer of mulch is enough to protect the plants in a shady spot. However, you may need 4 to 6 inches thick layer of mulch to completely prevent the growth of weeds. The perfect time to do mulching is in summer or extremely hot weather. Keep an eye out for the slugs, snails, and termites, as mulch can be the perfect breeding ground for them as well.